Hey folks, Jack Price here again with Priceless Amp Restoration. I got the Vibroclone clone all done. Absolutely sounds great, but I am having a really hard time recording this amplifier at its tasty setting. You know, on a tube. Tubes, a lot of people don't know. You got to get these tubes, almost into saturation before they really start to amplify all the even the harmonics and start to sound really nice and rich, which means for a 6L6 on a Fender style amp, it kind of all depends upon what model you're talking about, but these Vibroclones or twin reverbs or super reverbs, you got to get these amps up to about 4.5 or even 5, sometimes even 6, to really start pushing that tube, not in a flat out distortion, but just on the onset of breakup. So I'm having a hell of a time trying to find a way to record just using an iPhone. So this is, I don't know, my 10th different try, and I'm getting kind of frustrated by this. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this and post it, and just please try to ignore the distortion, saturation of the iPhone microphone. Obviously, if I'm going to do this much more, I'm going to have to invest in some reasonable video equipment where I can use an actual mixer and a Shure 57, and I can drop the input signal. Anyway, I'm going to get on back here. You see the amp. It's pretty heavy too. Sounds great. I A/B'd it against my original, and as I figured, Ted Weber's Recone job is superb. The bass on this guy is what can I say? Bass for days. Alright. So playing through the same Strat. The amp is up on 5. Want to drive them tubes. I got the soul controls. The feedback control set at 8 in the back. I don't have the intensity clicked off, so I'm not getting the extra 30% because the thing is freaking loud enough. Bass for days. It's rattling everything in my music room here, from you name it, it's rattling. Emphasizing the bottom end because of that bass and this JBL. You can open this thing up all the way up, and that JBL will not fart out. It just gets louder. I bet my neighbors love me. But I've been doing this for a while, I don't know what, 20 years out of this house, and they all know I'm crazy. control again, the amp is really much more touch sensitive than a standard black phase or silver phased amp. You know, I can hit the strings really lightly. Oh, and I can get so pretty. Or I can get nasty. Stay off the low E string because the bass just died for it. Turn the volume down a little bit. idea. Again, I apologize for the damn microphone saturation. Might have to talk to somebody about what to do about that. I've tried all kinds of things, covering up the mic with a slight cloth and everything else like that. But that's these amps. They're freaking loud, bass for days. They're really heavy. Try sitting on one of these puppies and playing it, and it'll rock the fillings right out of your teeth, man. All right, that's all I really got. Hope you enjoy. Can I zoom in here? You guys can see this puppy. She's beautiful. I love the H grill cloth. It looks a lot prettier than what I got on my original one. It really looks like it's been smoked on for about 40 years. And I've tried my best in the garage. I keep blowing my cigar smoke at it to kind of age it a little bit more. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. I've had fun putting these up there. And I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.